Alright, what's going on everybody? Junior with S.O.T Metalworks coming at you with another video here. We've got another fine and dandy sign cut out. So yeah, Village Market from Carmel, Maine. That is a long way up north there from us, but appreciate this gentleman ordering this sign. This one turned out fantastic. So we're going to get you guys on the CNC plasma table here, walk you through the process, see just how this one turns out. Turns out a mighty fine product at the end here, and can't thank this guy enough for ordering for sure. But yeah, let's get into the video and see what happens. All right, ladies and gents, there you have it. The Village Market in Carmel, Maine. And that's their last name there. That's the market owner there. Their last name, Brown. So, all right, big shout out to the gentleman who ordered this. I'm not sure I should shout his name out or not, but we might hear later on in this video, squared away. This one turned out pretty good. A lot of cutting in this sign. A lot of wordage, a lot of getting those circles and everything just so. Had to put in the bridges around everywhere you see. And you guys seen that on the cut video, of course. But yeah, I think this one turned out mighty sharp. Can't say enough great things about this one. All right, before we get any color on it, we'll do a little cleaning on it. Get all the slag cleaned off of this where we've been cutting on it. Get everything just looking mighty sharp. Get her all wiped down, ready for primer. Safety first, I forgot. the backside all cleaned up with a wire wheel. A little bit of grinding touch up here and there and some rougher spots. Let's get the front side cleaned up, see what happens. Well, turned out mighty fine if I do say so myself. So we'll get her all wiped down, get primer on both sides, and then we'll get back with you guys and see what color we're gonna paint this fine, outstanding looking, impressive sign. So, man, that thing looks finer than frog hair split 3 ways, I tell you what. All right, let's get after it. All right, ladies and gents, let's get some paint on here and see what happens. We are looking at the chocolate brown. This goes along with the themes of the Village Market in Carmel, Maine. So that's what we're gonna do it in. Hopefully it's not too hot for this paint. It's a little warm out here. I'm a little nervous. And we're using a different paint. They were out of my 2X. In the chocolate brown, so didn't like that none at all, but hey, it is what it is, what it is. I do not like the Ace Premium painting. Okay, not great, but okay. But yeah, it's been, I don't know about you guys, but it's been fairly warm here in Kentucky. It's been a little overwhelming. Thank goodness we've got the good old swimming pool up there, keeping us nice and cooled off. Making a big difference in the heat this year for us. Hope you guys are staying cool. I got one older video gonna come out here for too long. You'll probably see me in a hoodie or something. I found the footage back from a while back. I actually had forgotten about the video till the wife reminded me of it. It was on my computer down here at the shop. So you guys are just gonna see some old time footage, but it's not bad. It's a little YouTuber stuff. Hopefully nobody gets too bent out of shape because it's older. But hey, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. No big deal. We all know how that goes. When you got like 3 or 4 different computers, it's hard to keep up where you stash videos at sometimes. Got the old swim trunks on, fixing to get in the pool here after a while, hopefully. Don't know if we will or not, but it's running about 93 degrees right now. I think the old humidity is a little crazy as we're talking. I don't know, probably like 80-85%, something like that. All right, so hopefully this chocolate brown works out all right. Everything looks good. Because Mr. Lewis has ordered himself another sign here, and I want to make sure it's squared away. But that is what we got. I think we got everything covered. Everything looks good. We'll see how it turns out. Hopefully, it turns out with this high humidity, but I'm not sure it's going to. But we will see. We will see what happens. If I have to go back and redo it, I'll have to go back and redo it. That's just the way it is. Sometimes I'm pressed for time. I gotta get stuff done when I can get it done. So but yeah. Alright, let's get her over in the photo booth and see what the finished product looks like. What do you guys think about that? Another fine, outstanding sign by S.O.T. Metalworks. And if you don't mind, hit the subscribe button down there. We'll put it over in this general area, probably. All right, ladies and gents, here is the finished product of the Village Market up in Carmel, Maine. Whew, that's a long destination from here in Kentucky, but I think it turned out fantastic. Couldn't ask for better. The brown really pops. That goes with their logo they've got. So yeah, the only thing I would change anything remote on this sign is maybe putting a biker on there and getting that squared away, but I think everything else looks magnificent. So if you need anything like this, look us up, shootersoptiontargets.com. You can go over there, send us an email, do whatever you need to do, get a hold of us, get some of these fantastic, fabulous signs going on in your neck of the woods too. But shout out to the Village Market in Carmel, Maine. All right, guys, we're going to cut on out of here. That's the end of this video. You guys, I hope you're doing safe out there. And as I always say, make sure you're out there working smarter, not harder. All right, we'll catch y'all later. We out.